What's going on, everyone? Tech Tosh coming at you guys with a quick video. This is going to be another phone case I got from my Note 10 Plus. I got it off Black Friday. It was a cheap case as is, but it is another case I want to show you guys. And this one should be the all clear case, unlike the previous one that I have here, which is clear back, the black bumper. This one should be completely clear. Figured I'd do a quick unboxing review on it. This one is from Spigen. I haven't got any cases yet for this phone by that brand, but usually every phone I usually have at least one case by Spigen. They usually make a pretty high quality case. This was cheap. This was like 13 bucks, so it's nothing crazy. Just an all clear case, as you can see. For the same reason I get all clear cases over here from Poetic to show off the Aurora Glow colorway. And then this one from Torres. There's another two cases I got, but as you can see, that one's a little more bulkier. And then that one has like a black bumper clear back. So I figured might as well get an all clear one. And yeah, so let's unbox this and see how it looks on the phone. So I checked out a couple of reviews on this case, and for the most part I had good reviews, but a lot of people keep complaining about the smudges, which is kind of unavoidable, especially with a clear case, and then that it wasn't very protective. But I mean, you're getting a case this thin, you can't really expect too much out of it. Nothing too much to present here, just in a clear bag. Important, remove protective film front and back. So there is one on the front and the back, so you can see everything that is on the case as far as the ports are all there. This one has the open camera rather than something like this that has the separation here. Well, some people might prefer that, whatnot. I don't really mind. Alright, it's gonna remove the last film. This is a harder plastic on the back. Like, you got a hard plastic on the back, and it's just a slight bit more TPU, I think they say, with this rubber. This is like a hard plastic. I know they have like tempered glass ones. It's not glass, but it is hard. And then this one is a little more rubberier feeling, but it is sturdy, really sturdy compared to something like this, which is super flimsy. It looks nice. This one looked nice and everything, but it was flimsy on the edges. You would feel it move off the edges on the edge of the phone. This one is just super sturdy. So I will say, off first-hand impressions, this is a more durable case. Obviously it's not super rugged, but it is more durable than this Torres simplicity for life, whatever case. But it does look, that one did look nice. But overall, I do like the sturdiness of this. As you can see, I'm trying to bend it and it's not bending like this one does. That's not happening with this one. As I said, this is a hard plastic. I kept this little plastic stuff on the top just to kind of help protect it from scratches, but it's almost inevitable. As you can see, it's coming off right now. So now I gotta peel it off. The reason for that, because this is super tight. This fits in nice and snug. You got the port over here, another noise cancellation on the bottom. Easy access to the USB-C port. It's not too deep. Same thing with the S Pen. Very easy to access. But it's a sacrifice you gotta make with this phone. If you want to show it off and have a clear back, you're gonna deal with smudges. I give up on trying to clean them off. As you can tell, it really showcases the colorway, especially in the right lighting. Overall, like the case. Look at the buttons. Let's see if the buttons are easy to push. Very easy, no resistance whatsoever. On the side here, you can see writing. It is from the case. It says Spigen Incorporate, California, made in South Korea. That's a air cushion technology right there. And then you got the Spigen branding on the side. I know a lot of people sometimes like to know if it has any lip protection on the front and on the top and bottom. Obviously not on the sides, because you do got a curved display. If you happen to set the phone down on its face, will it protect it? and I can say it has a little bit, but I would not rely on it slamming it down. But as far as just setting it down and not rubbing the screen against whatever surface it's on, it'll be just enough. But dropping it, I wouldn't, you know, hold it to it, protect the screen, but something you got to deal with when you have a nice phone. If you want to get something a little more rugged, I did get this case. Obviously it has a clear back. It's usually what I'm looking for. It's a little more rugged. I did do a review on this, so if you guys want to check out that video, I'll have it linked down below. And then Torres case, if you want to check them out, I have that link down below as well. This is just a cheap case, just to throw on. You're not too worried about protection, but you just want something to have a little scratch resistance and then look a little bit nice. Something like that might be good enough for you. But if you want something like that, I'd still recommend this, because like I said, it's a little more durable than this case, and it's all see-through, so you really get a good look at the phone while having a little bit better protection. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. If you like that video, be sure to hit the thumbs up. Want to see any more videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'm out. Stay nerdy. Peace.